Habari, karibu sana to my YouTube channel where we learn Swahili step by step. In our today's lesson, I want us to learn about future tense and past tense, or as we say in Swahili, wakati ujao na wakati uliopita. Let's get started. These are the words that we are going to use in this lesson. Soma, read. Safiri, travel. Kuja, come. Enda, go. Kula, eat. Sema, say. Tembea, walk. Kimbia, run. Imba, sing. Cheza, play. So I want you to remember that during past tense, we're going to use li. And during future tense, we're going to use ta. Okay? I read, nilisoma. I will read, nitasoma. Nilisoma, nitasoma. I traveled, nilisafiri. I will travel, nitasafiri. Nilisafiri, nitasafiri. I came, nilikuja. I will come, nitakuja. Nilikuja, nitakuja. I went, nilienda. I will go, nitaenda. Nilienda, nitaenda. I ate, nilikula. I will eat, nitakula. Nilikula, nitakula. I said, nilisema. I will say, nitasema. Nilisema, nitasema. I walked, nilitembea. I will walk, nitatembea. Nilitembea, nitatembea. I ran, nilikimbia. I will run, nitakimbia. Nilikimbia, nitakimbia. I sang, niliimba. I will sing, nitaimba. Niliimba, nitaimba. I played, nilicheza. I will play, nitacheza. I played football, nilicheza mpira. I will play football, nitacheza mpira. I went on a safari. Nilienda safari. I will go on a safari. Nitaenda safari. I learned Swahili. Nilijifunza Kiswahili. I will learn Swahili. Nitajifunza Swahili. So now you see the difference. Nili, like you use the term li when you are talking about the past. But when you are talking about the future, we change the li to ta. So keep on practicing. Something that I will keep on reminding you all the time. YouTube videos and learning apps are meant to be your supporting tools. What you really need is a teacher to guide you, to structure a lesson that suits you best, to correct you whenever you make mistakes, to help you with the pronunciation. Yes, all the apps, the YouTube videos are good because they help you practice, but you need a teacher. And this does not apply only in Swahili, it applies to all kinds of languages. If you're ready to get started and learning Swahili, just write to me an email at awalmiriamjunior@gmail.com. I will gladly help you achieve your goal of learning Swahili. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Until next time, kwaheri.